Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's topic is array command in Autocad, multiple points command in Autocad, divide command in Autocad, and measure command in Autocad. In this topic, we will see how to apply all these commands in our drawing entity. Now, first is array command in Autocad. In array command, you can create a line that starts at a point and continues to infinity. That means line that extend to infinite in the one direction, known as arrays, can be used as reference for creating other projects. Okay. There is RAY is a shortcut key for array command. Okay. Now we will apply this command in our drawing entity. You can see here RAY is a shortcut key for array command. Before we apply the command, we need to create a drawing entity. I am creating one rectangle. Okay. Now you can see here I am creating one rectangle. Okay. For better understanding, I am choose yellow color for our drawing. Now apply the array command to this drawing entity. Okay. RAY. Now press enter. Now select color for better understanding. Now select a point that you want to create a ray line. You can see here you can create a ray line from specific point. Okay, I am creating here lots of ray line. Okay, now you can easily delete these lines by selecting one by one. Okay, here I am selecting these ray lines one by one. Now press delete key from keyboard. You can see here all the ray lines are deleted from your drawing entity. Now our next command is multiple points. Okay. In multiple points, you can create a multiple point object and use DDP type is a shortcut for a specified point size and style easily for your drawing. Now we will see here how to set point size and style by using DDP type. Okay. Now put DDP type shortcut from your keyboard. Now you press enter. You can see here point style window is now open, and you can see here lots of point styles are present. Almost 20 type point styles is present in point style window. You can set here point size. I am set 25%. Okay, for and third type of point style selected. Now press OK. Now choose multiple points option. Now I am creating a points. You can see here the points are created. See here the point size is large because we are putting 25% of point size. Now again DDP type. Okay, now choose next type. Okay, I am selecting first one and point size is 10. Now select multiple points and create a points. You can see here I am creating a points. Now size is 10. Okay, now I am giving a yellow color. You can see here the 4 points are now created. Now again DDP type. Now point size is 20. and selecting these points. Okay, now put DDP type. Now press enter. Now select fourth one. Now you can see here the point style is changed. Now you can create a drawing entity from these points. You can see here I am creating a rectangle by using line command from this point. I think it's easy way to draw a points in your drawing entity. Okay, now erase the all drawing entity for next command. Our next command is divide command from draw toolbar. In divide command, you can create evenly spaced or point objects or blocks along the length or perimeter of an object. Okay, or you also use DDP type to set the style and size of the all points in a drawing. We need to create a line. Here I am creating a line, okay, from UCS. You can see here the line is created of 100 mm. For better understanding, give the color of line. Okay, now select dimension command from annotation. Now select 2 points, that means first point and end point, to display a dimension. You can see here 100 mm distance is displayed. Now select divide option. Now you can see here div is a shortcut key for divide. You can see here. Now press enter. Now select line. Now enter the number of segments for divide. Now here I am creating 4. Okay, you can see here the line is divided into 4 parts. Now again DDP type. Now you can select here point size or style. I am giving 5. Now you can see here the point size is normal. Now again select dimension. Now you can see here, okay, 25 mm, 25 mm or 50 mm dimension. That means 100 mm. Okay, this is the working of divide command in Autocad. Here is the points or line for next command. Our next command is measure. You can see here in a draw tool palette, measure command is present. In measure command, you can create a point, objects or block at a measured intervals along the length or perimeter of an object. You can also here choose a DDP type for set a style and size of all points. Okay, now before we need to create a line. Here I am creating a line from UCS 100 mm line. Now select measure option. Now select line. Now enter the length of segments. Giving length of the segment is 5. Now you can see here the line is divided in 20 parts. That means the distance between 2 points is 5 mm. Now put TTP type and change the point size. Okay, you can see here the point size is now changed. Okay, now select dimension, first point, now second point. you can see here 5 mm distance is present. Now select first point and second point. Now you can see here 100 mm distance, and line is divided into 20 parts. In these 20 parts, the each line or each point distance is 5 mm. Okay, it is so easy to create points through a line. That's it, class. Our today's topic is now over. I hope you are now understand the basic idea on array command in AutoCAD, multiple points command in AutoCAD, divide command in AutoCAD, and last one, measure command in AutoCAD. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in CAD software. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.